Hello friends, good evening to all. Welcome to your favorite channel, Krishna sir. Yesterday we have discussed some important questions based on the main written examination, Odisha Staff Selection Commission, Soil Conservation Extension Worker. Today also we will discuss or analyze about the questions came in the examination of Odisha Staff Selection Commission Soil Conservation Extension Worker exam held on today, that means 9th February 2022. So if we go for ODIA, the paper was easy. If one has the touch with the study, then he or she can tackle all the questions and secure nearly about 23 to 24 marks in the ODIA section. That means the paper was very easy. Here, if we analyze about the questions, then there was questions based on Karaka and Vibhakti, Samasa and opposite word, gender change, synonym and Rudhi or Lokobani, which is the ODIA term for idioms and phrases. There were nearly 3 questions based on the idiom and phrases in the ODIA section, and there was also questions for sentence correction. There were 2 to 3 sentences and asked to correct or choose the correct sentence from the given options. And also there was a passage, and nearly 2 to 3 questions were asked in the paper based on that passage, and there was to answer the questions. Then if we will go for English section, today English section was also very easy. Like yesterday, there was a passage and 2 to 3 questions were asked based on the passage based questions, and synonym antonym related to the words given in that passage. And also there was questions based on spelling. There was one question based on spelling, and it is very important to all of you. For the spelling section, please, I have the humble request, choose the correct spelling carefully, because it is very important for all. Then there were 2 to 3 questions based on error spotting. All of you know about the error spotting. Error spotting means actually there is a sentence, and that sentence is divided into various parts, and in the question The examiner asked to find out the part where the error is. So this is also very important part of the English paper, error spotting. Also I request you to choose carefully the error present in the different parts or various parts of the sentence. Also there are 3 to 4 questions based on preposition. That I recall, preposition question was based on one question was based on across the country. This type of questions was there, and also there are questions based on the sentence rearrangement. All of you know, or all of you have the idea about the sentence rearrangement. Sentence rearrangement means actually there is a sentence given, the parts of the sentence actually fluctuantly actually given in the various options, and what is the correct option. Actually in the options there are the sequence of the parts of the sentence, and we have to choose which sequence is the best to give a meaningful sentence. So there were 3 to 4 questions generally based on the sentence rearrangement. So and then you choose carefully the sentence rearrangement section. This is also my personal request. And then if we'll go for next, then we will find 2 questions based on the synonym. If we carefully read or think about the word that given, then we can easily find the synonym among the options, among the given options. Then there are also questions based on antonym. If we go for antonym, then also we have to understand the given word and find out the antonym of the given word from the given options. Then phrase replacement. Phrase replacement, all you know about the phrase replacement. Actually phrase replacement is also an important part. Here a phrase given, and that phrase is underlined, and there were options and asked to choose the suitable option which can replace the phrase. Actually phrase replacement, if we understand easily, then phrase replacement is the correct option or correct word that can completely replace the phrase, like one word substitution. And this is also a very important portion of the English section. Then if we go for the article section, there are also questions based on article the, article an, article a based questions were there. 2 to 3 questions were found in the English section. This is all about your English section. Then we will go for GK section. Actually GK was easy to moderate, the level of general awareness or general knowledge was easy to moderate. Like yesterday I have told all of you that there were questions based on the headquarters, and it is very important section because Odisha Staff Selection Commission asks 4 to 5 headquarter based questions in the soil conservation extension work continuously. Yesterday also there are 5 questions based on the headquarters, and also today there are 4 to 5 questions based on the headquarters. So it is very important to all. I have a humble request to all of you, those are going to appear the exam tomorrow, to read carefully or study carefully the headquarters and remember all the important headquarters like IMF, WHO, etc. Then there were questions, national park based questions were there. Actually national park based questions 2 to 3 questions were there. If we think about that or discuss about that, the Bandipur National Park of the Karnataka based questions also was there, or the Zeros based questions also there. Here it is not mentioned, but the lake based questions also there, and river based questions there. Then international organization based questions also in the paper today. If we go for next, then a question was asked about the Valley of Flowers. Which place is known as Valley of Flowers, or where is the Valley of Flowers situated? This type of questions was also found in the examination. If we go for next, there was an easy question, Pink City. Which city is known as Pink City of India? This was the question. And also the Silicon City based questions was there. And also there is a lake based question, which is Pulikat Lake separation of district. That means there was a question which districts or states, which states are separated by the Pulikat Lake. Actually this is wrongly mentioned in as a district. That will be state. Please make correction. This is the state. Then if we will go for the next, there was a question about the 100 Drum Festival. Actually in the Odisha board you can find a chapter in the English book, the festivals of North India. Here the 100 Drum festivals is mentioned or given. This type of question was also found in the examination held today. Actually 100 Drum festival based questions means there was the question 100 Drum festival is celebrated in which state of India. So I think all of you known about 100 Drum festival. 100 Drum festival actually of I think Meghalaya. Then you will go, this was your first paper, and I think today the first paper was so easy, and those who have appeared today in the examination, I think done well. And next we will go for math paper, which is in the paper 2 section. Math paper was very easy. If we go at first, trigonometry based questions are there. Yesterday we have discussed that actually word problems based on the trigonometry, such as angle of elevation, to find the angle of elevation, ladder based questions, a ladder is attached to a wall, find the angle of elevation, and those questions are actually tan theta based questions. That type of questions, 2 to 3 questions were also given in the question, and generally 4 to 5 questions based on the compound interest also are there. Simple interest based question also 3 to 4 questions were there. Partnership based question 3 to 4 questions were there. Ratio proportion based question also 3 to 4 questions were given in the examination. Cube related 2 questions, nearly 2 questions given. Square related questions also there, and mensuration based questions, area and perimeter based question 2 to 3 questions were given in the examination held today. And statistics based question 2 to 3 questions were found in the examination. Here I forgot to mention, actually average based questions also there. Average based question 3 to 4 I have mentioned it. 3 to 4 questions, or 4 to 5 questions are given in the section. Generally math paper was easy. If you have the touch up with concepts and formula, then you can easily solve all the mathematical problems 50 out of 50. And also science question, and then we will go for science. It was also easy to moderate level. Yesterday I have said, actually yesterday it was hard questions, but today it is easy to moderate level question paper. So we will discuss about the science questions, or areas from which science question was asked. Law of inertia invention, who invented the law of inertia, that was a question. And resistance based questions also there. Ohm's law based questions were there. Atomic number, mass number, actually very easy. Then chemical equation based questions also there. Then if we go, there were Lenz formula based question, electrolysis based questions, and the Faraday's law of electrolysis based question was there. And who invented telephone, and this is Actually, this is a game of the children's. All of you know. Telephone invention related question. Then crop productions based questions like crops types, Z crops, etc. And irrigation type, surface irrigation related questions also there. And like yesterday I have explained crops disease based question 2 to 3 questions, and crops type question 2 to 3, and irrigation type question are coming frequently. Then another type today added, monocotyledon and dicotyledon, so having one leaf, two leaf based question. There were various crops, and asked which is monocotyledon or which is dicotyledon, etc. Then you will go for law of conservation of energy based question also there. Then today 4 to 5 number of problems based on physics also given in the exam. So today nearly 90% or 85% of questions or question pattern we have discussed. So if this video is beneficial or helpful to you, then I have a humble request to all my important viewers, my valuable viewers, to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon, by which you will be informed about the latest notifications which will be notified by me later. Thank you. All the best to all the candidates who are going to appear for the exam tomorrow. Be prepared well and revise well today, tonight, and very best of luck to all of you for your exam. I wish you will be succeed in your life, and all the examinations will be easier to all of you. If you want to prepare for the various examinations under state government and central government, then join with me, because another information is also there. I am also preparing for the competitive examinations, so come to join me. We will prepare together and discuss about various questions together, and prepare together, and succeed together, and proceed together. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.